No, you don't like to be in videos, remember?
My next.
Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets here. We're back with another episode of This or That. I think that's what we're doing anyway. Nobody really told me,
Yeah,
I guess.
sure.
So, all right. So we got This or That. I got Hunter here with me today. We got Parker behind the camera or someone behind the camera. They're going to ask us some questions. We're going to answer them.
Or someone?
Well, I don't know who's editing this
What am I,
video.
fucking chopped liver?
Yes, actually. I just don't know if it's going to be your voice on the video. So I figured I would say Parker or someone, okay? If you need wheel starters, suspension, customoffsets.com. All right, let's get into it.
Forgot performance parts.
We carry those now. Intake, exhaust, tune, we got it all. Gauges.
Yep.
Exhaust tip. What else do we carry?
Bumpers, lighting, accessories.
Can you just be excited?
I'm just listing
It's
them
this
off,
or
dude.
that.
I'm just listing what we
Whatever,
got.
dude. I'm done with you. First question.
Build a truck that is worth 60K or have a stock truck that's worth 85K.
Give me that build truck all day long.
Same.
All day long. Listen, stock $85,000 truck, you're talking like new Power Stroke, new Duramax, or slightly used, really high trim, you know, Denali and High Country and stuff like that. Like, that would be super cool. But man, I don't know that I've ever owned a vehicle that stayed stock.
Same.
Even my first car, 1992 old Cutlass Sierra, I had a CV whip on that thing. I drilled a hole into the hood. I was 16. It was fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, every single vehicle I've had, I've either A, done exhaust on, or B, slapped a couple 2-tree light bars on it and sent it. I mean, my beater right now, I just cut the muffler off last week and the thing's loud
Is that why it
as
sounds like shit?
Yeah. Oh
Yikes.
man, but yeah, I mean, it's not stock anymore, so.
That's true. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I could own a stock truck, even if it was worth 80 grand. I just, boy, I couldn't do it. I gotta at least have wheels and tires.
I was literally just gonna say that. Like, you could go out and get brand new 2021 6.7 Power Stroke. First thing I do is probably exhaust or wheels and tires, just to get
Intake,
a little bit of
exhaust, tune,
stance.
window tint, tires,
Yeah,
wheels.
wait, I couldn't.
I mean,
do
but that's what I'm saying. I couldn't
Yeah.
do it. No stock. I'd rather walk than drive stock.
it. I don't know if I would walk, but
It's a figure of speech, bro.
no, I get what you're saying.
Whatever. No, you don't.
All right, next.
Really nice lift with bad wheels or bad lift with really nice wheels?
What? Can I have that again, please?
Power Stroke, Duramax, or Cummins?
3, 2, 1, go.
Power Stroke.
You're disgusting.
No, get out of here.
Get out of here. I can't pick one of those because all three of them are really good. Like,
True.
yes, in the long term, the Cummins has had the best track record over the years, right? From the 12 valve to the 24 valve, and then common rail, and then the 6.7s and all that. They've had a really good track record. Duramax, Power Stroke, not so much, right? The early 2000s was not good to Ford or Chevy.
Nope.
It just was. And I think Chevy did better than Ford, right? The Duramaxes did a little better than like the 6.064s, but listen, I love my 6-liter.
Okay.
I did.
I just wanted to hear
However, not great engines, right? Both of us owned 6-liters. Both of them had a catastrophic head failure.
Mine wasn't.
I thought you were supposed
I didn't beat on it. I sold it before it blew up.
Well, I mean, that's what I did too, but you knew it was coming.
Yeah, at some point if I would have kept beating on
See,
it, but I just
exactly.
wanted to have a little fun.
Exactly. So when you look at them from that point of view, the Cummins is probably the easy winner. If I had to look at a brand new truck, I'd probably go Power Stroke as well.
Hell
honestly.
yeah.
The 6.7's nasty. The new Illuma Duties look really good. They're neat trucks.
They do.
Solid axle, of course, right? So easy
yeah.
to lift,
I mean, I grew up in a Ford family, so I mean, I'm going Power Stroke all day long. Whether it be 7.3, a 6-liter, which
Oh my
I
God,
want
here we
again.
go, 7.3. 7.3, best engine in the world. Brr, 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 brr.
The only Power Stroke that I don't like is a 6.4. I don't like the engine itself. I don't like the body style trucks that they came in. They're just ugly to me.
Damn,
So, sorry Ford.
you're really
but
gonna call people out like that?
I am, yeah.
Yikes.
Unless they're built very, very well,
Oh, sure, caveat, right?
and they're amazing. But stock, they're ugly as hell.
Moving on.
Diesel swap Suburban or diesel Ford Excursion?
This one's easy.
Did you know you could get diesel excursions?
Like, now?
No, but you could. Like 7.3, 6-liter.
Oh yeah, I knew that.
Yeah,
I didn't know if you could do like a 6.7, like newer. I don't know if they
I don't
made
believe
like
so.
Not yet, at least.
My buddy Devin. That was
Camaro?
Nate's Camaro.
Oh my God.
Damn. Can you hear that?
He's
All
rowdy.
right, we'll just wait.
I'm going old school
yeah?
excursion. Yeah, just because it's a 6 liter. I have a love for the
Or
6 liter.
7.3.
Or 7.3. I'd still pick the 6 liter just because of the way that they sound. You straight pipe and just send it.
Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, they're not so bad, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's cool that Ford even made that. Like,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
super dope. It's like, so you want a 3/4 ton truck, but you actually want to haul around a bunch of people. We can do that.
Exactly.
Boy, I think it would be nasty to like LBZ swap my God, I can't think of it. I forgot it.
Come on, you can
Not
do
the
it.
Tahoe.
You can do it. Suburban.
Suburban. Thank
There you
you.
go.
Oh my God. I just like error 404 Dustin.exe has stopped working. I did the thing like on Windows 98. Did you even use 98? Okay, so for those of us that are older than 14, I did like that thing on Windows 98 where it'd throw an error code and then you drag it across the screen and it just the Windows.
I've seen a couple memes that have that in, but I've never experienced it myself. Sorry.
Anyway, I think that an LBZ swap Suburban would be neat. I really like my LBZ. I think it would be fantastic. It'd be rowdy, it'd make plenty of power, and you could still haul all the boys around, so it'd be fantastic.
It would be pretty cool. I think I'm still sticking with a 6 liter excursion though, just because.
Less work. Right?
Well,
just buy
you mean
it.
you still gotta put $6 grand into it to make it good if you're gonna beat 'em.
Yeah, that's true. All right, we're not talking about that. Moving on.
Bonus question!
Bonus question! It's the bonus question!
All right.
It's the bonus question!
All right, hit me.
Would you rather be able to control animals or control electronics with your mind?
Banker's looking at me like I need to open the
Like I need to
showroom.
look at my phone?
What time is it?
4 minutes.
He's telling us to wrap it up.
I got one more video to film besides. Dude, I'm really torn on this one.
I don't even know.
Part of me wants to be like sitting in the middle of the forest vibing with all my animal friends. And then part of me says if I could control electronics, I could just like add a bunch of money to my bank account.
That's also true.
Dude, I don't know which one to pick.
Like controlling animals would be dope.
No, I don't want to control animals. I will take electronics. You know why? Because animals are free thinkers and they can do what they want. They should not be controlled.
That's fair.
That's it. That's it. That's all I got.
I'm going with electronics too because honestly, I can't see a point in controlling animals with my mind, but electronics would be pretty sick to control, so
Be dope.
yeah.
Wrap it up, Jengus.
That's another episode of This or That. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Hunter, for joining us as always. If you guys liked what you see, make sure you like this video, tag a friend down below, and if you have a this or that question, let us know as well. And with that, we're out. We'll see you next time.
If you like what you see.